to talk a little bit about orders, a protection order in particular, and this is purely from Aotearoa New Zealand perspective. So primary victims that are experiencing family violence do have the right to be protected from that violence, and that's called a protection order. You can go to refuges, you can talk to police. There are many social service providers across Aotearoa New Zealand or anywhere across your regions or cities, towns, whatever, across the world that will be able to offer you guidance in how to protect yourselves from further harm. So a protection order can be issued immediately, which is without notice from a judge, and as soon as it is served on the predominant aggressor, it's enforceable, which means that if anything is done to harm you in any way in the context of family violence, that predominant aggressor can be arrested for that. You have the right to be safe, as do your children and as do your animals, from any kinds of forms of family violence. Or sometimes it may be issued on notice, which means that the predominant aggressor has 3 months to present his story before the courts, and then a judge will determine whether a protection order is actually going to be issued or not. Just to go back a step, if the protection order is issued immediately by a judge, that is called a temporary protection order. And what that means is it is temporary for 3 months. If the predominant aggressor does not defend the protection order, then that immediately and automatically becomes a permanent protection order against all of the people that are protected on the order.